Who are you guys?
I'm Emily Boyd and she's Anna.
I'm AJ.
I'm Megan.
I'm Bella.
And what part has been the most challenging for you guys?
Probably learning all the chords for the songs.
Probably the ukulele.
Yeah. That's quite easy for me.
Name is Violet. I'm Alia. And we're doing a school production about Cadbury's. So we've been working on dances and we're doing the art book. Yeah. We made a big chimney in jail. And that's for another production. Yeah, and like the top.
Yeah, we're making Cadbury.
Yeah, we're doing a factory and our school is doing about New Zealand. And the performance is about Cadbury's. Yeah. That's enough.
Oh my god.
And I'm just painting it.
A farewell to my youngsters, also to their families. Long I'll have to work through all this pain and agony. I'm in a bigger school, it's hard and uptight.
What's your favourite part about the production?
I really want to start dance. I want to do the dance with Emily Rose since we're partners for the dance.
And my favourite part is also the dance.
Dancing, probably.
Mine would be the Run the World Girls.
All this pain and agony, I'm in a bigger school, it's hard and uptight. Trying to be nice, trying not to start a fight. But everyone's picking on me, thinking that they're right. All I want is to see a better side. It's like every step I take, I make a mistake. I open up the door to a better place. So when you get hit up for another disgrace, just think of it as another bit of space. So reach for the stars and do your very best, and you will make it as well as the rest, yeah.